Hey guys, Mike from Bound for Freedom here today in the house showing you guys my new tool bag setup. Now, it's not one of these bags. These purses, or tool purses, or your mom's purse, whatever we want to call these, are great and they have their purpose, but do they belong in your overlanding rig? In my opinion, as a last resort, I mean, yes, sure, it holds the tools, doesn't do it well, and it's usually a mess, kind of like what's in this one here. It's just an absolute mess, and that's okay. Some people enjoy that. They literally love to throw their purse everywhere and find the tools and then put them all back. And that's all well and fine, but there's a better way of doing it. So one of the companies out there that I personally really like is Blue Ridge Overlands. They have also a lot of other products, but they're bags made in the United States by Americans for Americans. The quality on this bag is exceptional. The zippers, MOLLE, Velcro, even a mesh little pocket on the back, super high quality. So we don't need these anymore. There's better options out there, and this is just one of them. So let's go ahead and talk about this bag. So this here is going to set you back about $145, and that's going to be free shipping to your house if you get the name tag here. It comes in a couple of different colors, and of course it's going to be a super durable lifetime guarantee on this material and the workmanship of the bag. So if it ever rips or fails, they have a no BS warranty. So that's something I really like about it. There's zippers with gloves on. Boom, open this up, makes it easy. Let's check this out. This is my favorite part about this bag here. Number one, everything is opened up. It's easy to get to. You can hang the bag from one of the straps if you're working and you need it hanging, you can do that. What's also nice about it is it has clear view pouches, which seems really stupid, but it's actually the best thing about this bag, is it's easy to assess what's in the bag. So for instance, my junk drawer, it's right here. So my junk drawer has fuses, has zip ties, has butt connectors, has JB Weld, hose clamps, loose bolts, stuff like that. Stuff that would normally be sitting in here, floating around, just getting lost. It's all in here now. It's all conveniently packed away, and I can easily get it or get it out of the way. Next one up, pliers. I have my own plier bag now. This has my adjustable pliers, has snap ring pliers, vice grips, dikes, and even needle noses, all conveniently in one bag. Box end wrenches, crescent wrenches, all of that is in here. All the ones I use, it's all in here. A little on the heavy side, but it's in one neat bag. So basically I can open that bag up, find exactly what I need, put it back on the Velcro, and I'm done. Next up, sockets and ratchets and extensions, all in one neat bag. Yeah, it's a little, there's other options you can do. I've seen some people put organizers in here. I'm not that crazy, but this at least I can look through here quickly, find my 10mm socket. I've got two of them, and it makes it easy. So I really like that about this bag. Next up, screwdrivers. All of my screwdrivers are all in one neat bag. So if I need to screw something off of a buddy's vehicle, it's easy to get to. It makes sense. This last bag, that's where I need help. I got nothing in this one. Everything that was in my vehicle's toolkit is all in these 5 bags. I still have one extra. So my question to you is, what do you 100 series owners carry? What's something that you have, or maybe it's Tacoma, maybe it's a 4Runner, maybe it's a Jeep. What's one tool that most people don't know to carry that you carry? Of course, I've got spares and stuff like that, but I'm talking tools. What would you put in here? What would be a good option? So go ahead and put that down below. But yeah, ultimately, I really feel the quality of this is going to be amazing. It's going to last a long time. It's also going to help me stay more organized, and it's just going to be easier to keep track of. It's a slimmer profile. It can fit under a seat. It can fit straight up in a corner somewhere. It's not this huge bulky base and then a narrow top you lose space on. So I'm really excited about this. Now, of course, if you have any questions about the bag, please, I'll hopefully give a review in the next couple of months after I've had more time to use it, but I really think I'm going to love it. Now, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions, again, hit the comments. If you don't already, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll be bringing you guys more content, hopefully something for you to watch while you're on Netflix or doing something else. And yeah, absolutely. So thank you again, guys. I hope you guys are well, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.